See, today we are going to study about location and time. You know, last year you have studied about latitude and longitude. Today we are going to see little more about that. So, we will go in details about what is location, what shows the location and what shows the time. Now we are going to see chapter 5th here. Now, you all know what is the definition of latitude and what is the definition of longitude. Latitude means imaginary line that is drawn on globe which are horizontal are called latitude. So now what is longitude? The imaginary vertical line passing from north to south are called longitude. Understand? This is the definition of latitude and longitude. You all know about the zone we studied. So now further we will study about, first we will study about latitude. See, totally there are 181 latitudes and the distance between one latitude to other latitudes, there is 111 kilometer distances are there between these. This is the dark line you can see now on this board, that is called equator. It is at 0 degree. So now we can see this divides the earth into two halves. Now we can see the equator. From equator to north pole, it is called north hemisphere, and from equator to south, it is south pole. It is called south hemisphere. So the parts are being divided in this way by dark line. So it is called north hemisphere and this part is called south hemisphere. Now we can see what is use of latitude. It was Magellan who was the ship sailor. When they were sailing, it was very difficult for them that which countries is situated at where, which place. So it was very important for them and they were the person who found out the latitudes. Understand, with the help of the latitude they came to know. Otherwise it was very difficult for them where they are sailing and which point they have reached just, and with the help of latitude they came to know that the place they have been reached, which place, which angle they have reached, that was very important for them. Now we will see states about location of the places. Now latitude shows on which place, on which angle it is being located. The countries are located, whether it is located on equator or temperate zone, frigid zone, and here also temperate zone, or it is in south pole or Arctic circle and Antarctic circle. You have studied about 7 continents and oceans also. So, in which continent, which place is there, that with the help of this latitude we can help. Now there are two parts, eastern countries and western countries. We can see that on eastern countries, Japan, China, India, Russia, Kenya, Zambia, Australia, New Zealand and many other states are there, many continents are there. That is been in Asia, eastern continents. Now we can say western countries like some parts of Africa, then Morocco, USA, Canada, Alaska, Mexico. So these all are the states which are on western countries. We say no, western countries, western music, western eastern music. We divide like this. So western countries. Now we can see eastern countries and western countries. So in this way, these all are lies on the west, so they are called western countries. These all countries lies on the east, so they are called eastern countries. So now this was very useful for them for the location, means which country, which zone. Now some countries which are on equator, so that is torrid zone. Those countries which are on this part, lies on this part, there is too hot. But which countries are on temperate? India is on Tropic of Cancer. So it is in, we have feel neither too hot, neither too cold. Summer are hot and winter are very cold. But some parts on equator, it is very hot. So, and it is not possible to stay here North Pole and South Pole, because 6 months there are day and 6 months there are night. Sun does not origin on this base. So it is very dark continent where human inhabitants is very difficult. So it is with the help of the latitude we can know the location of the place. So that is called, whether it is on east, whether it is on south, whether our country is on the east or south. So these are very important, help us to say about location of this. Now we are going to see about what is longitude. Now, in olden days, people did not have watch, they did not have time. They only, sun is the biggest clock we can say. According to the sun, they used to see. When it was overhead, they did not have any watch. According to the sun, they used to work. In morning, when the sun rises, they came to know now it is the morning time. So they started their morning work. And when it was overhead sun, they understood that it was noon time. When the sunset time it was there, they came to know that it is evening. And when it was complete dark, they came to know that it is night. So they used to work routine was going on like this. But not exact time they come to know. So now it is the longitude which help us to know about the time. So now we can say Greenwich in England at 0 degree. This is the main center for the time. And from we get our times are located main from here. And every countries are given their own location, local time, standard time we can say. So every countries are given their standard time, and from that time our time is being fixed here. Now we can see what is longitude. The imaginary vertical line, these are called vertical line. From north to south are called longitude. Now we can say this is the middle line. This is also called prime meridian also. This is the middle line. From prime meridian to this end, there are 180 longitudes, and from here to total there are 180 longitudes here. So there are total 360 longitudes are there. So now we can see these are called longitude, and here the sun, you know, the earth revolves around the sun. So now we can say there are total 360 longitudes. The earth complete one rotation 24 hours. Understand, one rotation, one day it takes 24 hours. So we can see that 15 longitude, in 360 longitude, 15 longitude passes the sun in 1 hour. In 1 hour, how many longitudes passes? 15 longitude passes around the sun, and each longitude takes 4 minutes to complete around the sun. So it depends on this. Now we can see all countries have their own longitude situation. See, India lies from 68 degree east to 97 west longitude. So our longitude, it is on 68 degree east to 97 west longitude. Now standard time is 82 hours, start from 68 to 97. In between 80 to 95 east longitude, there our time is being situated at Allahabad. Allahabad is taken our local standard time. From there our time is being set. So now we can see that there are 100, and you see in your textbook on the map, on the top line there are from 0 starts in between here, and side there are given 15, means there are differences are there between 15, then 30, here also 15, 30. So 15 longitude differences are being shown there. Now there is 180 degree longitude is only one. So it is called international date line. So 180, how they have been shown about 180? We are having our international is not straight but it is zigzag. Its meaning is that when they were setting up the time, many landforms are there in our world. Some are mountains, some are water bodies, some are valleys. So many landforms are there. Just the straight line, plain areas, they have been measured. Plain areas have been measured, and mountain areas, water bodies, these all are not being included. Otherwise, it was a great problem. Otherwise, what happens? There would be 2 days same and 2 timing dates and day will be of same. Suppose we are having week, we are having 7 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now, suppose if our line international date would not be zigzag, means these all mountain valleys, they are being not excluded, only the straight lines are being to be measured. So, our international date line is called zigzag. It is in a zigzag manner. So, only 1 day and 1 day comes. So, there will be changes in that. If even this would be counted, landforms, mountains, valleys, so it would be a very great to exclude this to come to this solution. What they have done, they have been excluded this all and only the straight line is being mentioned, it is being measured so that it was very easy for them to calculate 1 day and 1 day and 1 day. So this is called international date line. So now all of you have to just here you have to remember our international date line is being measured from Greenwich, and from Greenwich every country has their own standard time. Suppose now Allahabad is the main standard time because 5 states passes from that. It is also one Tamil Nadu which does not have their own longitude. It is been excluded from that. So now we can see that from Allahabad the standard time is being given. Suppose in Palanpur if it is 10 o'clock. Now if you phone your friends, suppose even if they are staying in Kolkata or any place of our other place of the country, their time would not be changed. There also it would be 10 o'clock. But if you phone, if your friends or if your relations stays in America, Western countries, they are ahead than us. So there you see their time will be different. Suppose now it is morning, so there it is night because of the movement of the earth around the sun. You know that half part which are facing to the sun, earth when it is facing to the sun, it is the day, and on other side it is night. Now suppose after the revolving, the other part it faces to the earth, faces to the sun, there would be day, and on the other side there would be night. So in this way day and night are caused due to the rotation and seasons are caused due to the revolution. So these are about, I have explained you about how latitudes and how longitudes are very useful. With the help of this, it is very helpful for us. Now you see, when you come to school, watch, you see the watch, what is the time? You know at now it is the day, but actually what is the time you will come to know. With the help of the sun, the many our timings are being set with the help of this. So sun is the biggest, you can say, clock, and with the help of that set, our time are being set from the Greenwich, and exactly we come to know about the time, and our routine works goes according to the time. So it is very important for each and every people in the world. Time is very necessary. So you will all read the lesson. See, homework is given to you. please see the video properly, understand, and see and watch and do the homework. Don't waste your time, children, please. So it is, I am saying you that at least PDF, if you are having, read from there. If you are having textbook, you read from there the lesson and you will come to know. So please, again when I request you, don't waste your time. Please, the videos are given, see to that and do your homework regularly. Learn the spellings also, which are very necessary. So thank you.